Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to hide your subscriber count on YouTube on your phone. Unfortunately, this cannot be done on the YouTube app or the YouTube Studio app. This actually has to be done on Google Chrome on the iPhone, just so you can request the desktop site. So it has to be done on a full desktop version website. So whether you have an extra computer to do this on, or if you just have your phone, I'll show you guys how to do it on your phones. So all you have to do is download Google Chrome from the App Store. If you already have it, you just got to go and open it. And then you just want to go over to YouTube and log into the account that you want to hide your subscribers on. Once you do that, you just want to click on the three dots in the bottom right corner, scroll down on that and click Request Desktop Site. And then all it's going to do is load the desktop version of the website, so you have access to more things. And then all you got to do is go in the top right corner and click on your profile icon and click on Creator Studio. And once you're open on the studio here, you want to go down to Settings in the bottom corner. Click on Settings. And then here you just want to go to Channel and then Advanced Settings. And then as you see under do you want your channel made for kids, you scroll down and it shows subscriber count, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So if you do not want people to see how much subscribers you have, you just uncheck that option and click save in the bottom right. I don't mind if people see how much subscribers I have, so I'm just going to leave mine on. But that is how you disable the setting on your phone. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.